Right then, so you can see now we've got the square on, okay, with the 2 screeds we put on first and then we fill the middle in by rolling off. What I'm going to do now is the top screed. The 2 screeds are now going to be extended all the way to the ceiling, and then I'm going to fill this middle bit in here, okay. Now it's important when you put your dots on, right at the beginning, that you can take the straight edge up to the ceiling, but still be in contact with both dots. And that's important because when you're rolling off, you don't want to be rolling over your screeds because you may dig in. So it's important you've got something, the hard surface of the wood on your dots to lean into, if you like, put the pressure on with your rule so you're not pressuring and going into the screed. Okay? So we're going to extend that up now to the ceiling. Okay. So forward like a H shape. So don't take the trowel so far, so you're building up the thickness of your screeds. Okay, with your straight edge, you're placing on the dots again. Okay, and then slide it up to the ceiling, making sure that the straight edges on both dots. Okay, and then up and down, bringing it across. You can see now that we're forming that screed all the way up to the ceiling. Like so. Just like you did on the screeds, on these screeds on the wall, once you've got the lines all the way up, you're smoothing off on the edges. So you're just leaving the surface of the screed brown. Okay, so that one's completed. Now let's do this side. Again, pushing up to the ceiling. It's out the mountain of the trowel, so you can take it up to the ceiling, across the, and then pull it across. Okay, that's a difficult thing to do. That will need plenty of practice. Right, so we've got the screed there. So again, you're repeating the process, putting the straight edge on your dots, okay, and then pulling it across. A few gaps on that one, so we need to fill those in to make sure that the lines go all the way up to the ceiling. Okay, another method of putting on the ceiling is just bringing it across like so. And then you repeat the process with the rule on your dots, up to the ceiling, bringing it across. Okay. Again, any excess on the rule, put back onto your spot board. So you're not dropping it on the floor. And then again, around the sides of the screed, just with your trowel, just feather them in. Alright, so you can see now I've got those 2 screeds done, and now I'm going to fill out the top. So it goes all the way to the ceiling. Okay, so here we've got a couple of methods here of applying plaster to the ceiling. Okay, so again, up and across, okay, or just put some on the top of your trowel and then pull it that way. Which is probably the method as learners you'll probably want to start doing that method. As you progress, this is the method where you really want to do it, as you can see, because you get the ceiling done and a bit of the wall as well, so it's a lot quicker. Okay, so you're just filling it out nicely. Okay, stop. Just feathering it out. Trying to make it up to the level of your screeds. Okay, again we're going to roll off again again now, using the same rule. Okay, so you start off where we left off before, up to the surface there, and then just pulling it up. Again, very gently, making sure that you don't dig into your screeds. Again, any excess into your spot board. Just gently moving off. So again, what we're looking for is when you put your rule across, okay, from the far edge of this screed to the far edge of this screed, it wants to be nice and tight with no gaps and no bumps. Okay? Okay, and that's about right.